Audio Jungle.
Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I am going to showing you how to make a powerful bass treble tone controller. What is tone controller? Tone control is a type of equalization. This is used to make specific pitches or frequencies in an audio signal softer or louder. It allows a listener to adjust the tone of the sound produced by an audio systems. For example, to compensate for inadequate bass response of loudspeakers or earphones, tonal qualities of the room, or hearing impairment. Tone controls are found on many sound systems, like radios, portable music players, boomboxes, public address systems, and musical instrument amplifiers. But we mostly use transistor-based tone control circuit in our amplifiers. Transistor tone control based on famous backsandal tone control design. Today video I am going to showing you tone control circuit using an op-amp. We choose to use the NE5532 as main. It is so an interesting IC because of the ultra-low noise properties. So often uses them in a hi-fi audio system. Although, it is a small stereo 2-channel circuit. But it has a full option to adjust the sound. In this circuit, you can adjust the bass, treble sound well, and high-low sound in easy. This tone control project is based on the NE5532 IC. The NE5532 IC is a high-performance operational amplifiers, combining excellent DC and AC characteristics. These operational amplifiers are compensated internally for unity gain operation. These devices have specified maximum limits for equivalent input noise voltage. This makes the device especially suitable for application in high-quality and professional audio equipment, instrumentation, control circuits, and telephone channel amplifiers. Guys, here I completed the circuit. NE5532 IC. Bass control, treble control, and volume control. Voltage regulators for dual power supply. Guys, this tone board testing purpose I am used this amplifier module. This I homemade 4 transistor 200 watts amplifier board. I already uploaded this transistor amplifier project video in my channel. I given this transistor based amplifier tutorial video link in this video description. Guys, this the testing setup. This transformer power up our amplifier and tone control circuit. This the power supply filtering for our transistor amplifier circuit. And this is our transistor amplifier driver. Testing purpose I am used this speaker. Audio input source I am used this Bluetooth module. And finally this is our tone control circuit.
I